Hey, this is Marlo Higgins, your Chief Inspirational Officer, and behind the scenes with our Chief Creative Officer, AJ. She's in the house, and we are sharing some really fun information for you because we know that you are looking for something more. And we know that as 2020 is out there and you're an entrepreneur, you are a leader, you lead people 5 or more, and you're maybe not really clear on some goals that you have set for yourself, or you don't maybe understand the value of clarity, or maybe you do and you've got huge tension around it and you just don't know how to connect the dots. That's where we just want to share, like, if it's a Monday and you are sitting in your office, you're starting your week fresh, but you don't have clarity of where you need to go. Like, Amanda, what are you hearing as I kind of describe that? Like, what are we doing for our clients that helps them get into that clarity zone?
I mean, I'm hearing like every Monday my entire 20s. Like that was me living in an office job, waking up, guzzling a gallon of coffee, and like listening to emo music on my way to work, trying to motivate myself to get out of that car and do it all over again. And I feel like as once I broke free of that, which was a long, messy journey, which is a whole other story. The one thing that I really see when I look back is that I wanted something different, but I didn't know what I wanted. And I think that the most powerful thing that we're able to provide people in this course is just the space to get messy and figure it out. Like, just having a place to be vulnerable and to be like, these people are dreaming really big. Like, they're doing really big stuff. And I know this person, and if they can do it, maybe I can do it too. And I think just being in a space where you can share that kind of energy is super valuable.
Right. And the thing about when we talk about clarity on a Monday, right? You're coming to this, you're watching it. You just want to snap the line, right? It's one thing to sit in that like muddy river of like angst and not like a lack of understanding, but we can help you take through that muddy trip that you've been on and those like icky waters that you've been just stuck in, and give you like that really good like snap factor of quick actions that you can remove the doubt, jump into actions with infinite clarity, and then so you can get to the end of the week and have a result. That's where we anchor in. We talk about the results that we had. We don't just sit and coffee talk with our clients. It's so important that we say, okay, what did you do to get out? Because we want to help you build a playbook so you have immediate actions, you understand infinite clarity within your business or your brand on what you're doing to get those outcomes. So thank you for watching this. Go to successboarding.com to learn more. We offer a 6-week course called the 6-week Success Boarding Workshop. We'd love for you to be part of it. And so just click the link below, learn more, and feel free to schedule a call if you have some questions, because we want you to be part of it. We have 250 businesses we're transforming in 2020, and we want you to be one of them. So please join us and learn more. All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye.